Managing infrastructure across multiple clouds is complex. Costs are unpredictable, and choosing the right services feels like a gamble. Welcome to CloudAtler, the smarter way to compare, manage, and optimize your entire cloud environment from a single control plane. Think of us as a Skyscanner for the cloud. Instantly compare services across providers and see the true total cost so you can pick the right infrastructure every time. With AtlerPilot, gain real-time visibility into your cloud spend, receive alerts on cost trends, and find savings by identifying underutilized resources. Our automated guardrails enforce budget and security policies by default, so your teams can move fast, safely. The results? Faster provider selection and measurable savings within the first quarter, all with bank-level security and a privacy-first guarantee. CloudAtler. Compare, optimize, control. Visit cloudatler.com to get started.